What's up guys? Andrew here. It's time for another surfboard build. I got a shipment from Greenlight Surf Supply, who actually is going to sponsor this surfboard build. They shipped me a blank for this longboard build. That's what I'm going to plan on building. I'm going to build probably like a performance longboard. So let's unbox this, make sure everything's there, and I'll follow up later on with how I'm going to build this surfboard and what my intentions are and the design. And if you decide to buy from Greenlight Surf Supply, use my affiliate link down in the description. Awesome guys to deal with. Box of materials, epoxy, some e-glass, and then a couple blanks in there. We'll look at those later, but let's unbox this box first. Some resin research epoxy, hardener, piece of carbon fiber strip for a different project, some logo paper, and some lime green pigment. I think that's probably what I'm gonna color the surfboard with. I'm gonna add my new glass to the rest of my glass collection. I got some 4-ounce in there, I got some heavier glass, leftovers, but 6-ounce is typically my go-to. Some just leftover foam for packaging it. I like that it's a really nice density. This is 2 pounds per square foot. Got a nice little fish blank here. That should be pretty cool. A little shortboard or a fish. That'll be for another project. Running out of room. And of course, my longboard blank. Alright, now I got the unboxing done. This is my longboard blank. It's a 9.8. I probably make something like a 9.6, 9.7, maybe a 9.8. I don't know yet. I haven't quite decided. I just know I want it to be more like a performance longboard. I'm not going to go through all of the steps on how to do every single part of how to make a surfboard, because I've done that in multiple series already. I don't want to bore you guys with that. But if there's stuff that stands out, or I think that needs a little more attention, or there might be some tips or tricks that I can include, or I learned something that's kind of cool, I'll include it in the video. But I think I'll probably concentrate more on maybe just my idea for what the board is, just have some fun designing it. I'll probably do a pigment job on it. My idea is to use that lime green pigment that I got. That should look kind of cool. It'll probably stand out really well. I'm very impressed with the blank itself. The foam is very dense. Greenlight can make any type of blank, any size that you want. The length, the width, the thickness. They can custom make it for you, which is awesome. So I had them make this blank for me to the thickness that I want, including the stringer that I wanted to have too. So I have, instead of like a basswood stringer, I have a cedar stringer, because I kind of like cedar. So I think it will look really cool. It's a little darker than basswood, which is more traditionally what's used in a surfboard. Or balsa would be really neat too. That's another option. But yeah, they can totally make the blank to your specification. And Greenlight is sponsoring this video by providing me this blank, so that's really cool. That's the first time I've done kind of a sponsored video, so I'm really excited about that. It's cool that, you know, I got something that I can make and share with you guys. So stay tuned for more videos on building this. It's going to be in the next few weeks, probably more like over the winter, maybe even into the spring of 2020. But I think it'll be really cool. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I need a longboard in my quiver. The longest that I have is an 8-foot. I used to have a 10-foot board, but I sold it. I didn't really like the way it rode. So I'm gonna try to make something else and see what happens. Let's join me on my journey. All right, that's it for this video. Quick little unboxing, just a little fun. I thought I'd share this with you guys, and I'm gonna be stoked to start making this. It's gonna be a lot of fun.